What's going on, guys? This is Tamil and I'm coming to you from mailboxmoneyblog.com. Alright, so in today's video, I want to talk to you about creating passive income online. And if you have a home business, then you should be learning how to actually leverage that business by creating passive income online as well. So what I want to talk about now is a little bit of my story and how I started off, basically building my business online. I started off in the multi-level marketing industry, and I was doing pretty much like most people do, bugging my family and friends and, basically not having any good results. And so I started hopping online, doing a little bit of research about, building an online business, and came across what we now know is like internet marketing. And so I started learning a little bit about internet marketing, and I started learning how I can, in general, just generate leads online and build a business online. And so that's kind of how I started off on my journey. Now, the first time I heard about passive income was from a lady that I met that was in a multi-level marketing, business. And she's actually like a six-figure earner, and I met her and she started explaining to me how she makes money by just staying at home, and how she has built this team and an organization that allows her to not have to have a job and to basically work from home. And so that's the way she kind of designed it, like working from home, making residual income. And when she told me what she did, that's kind of when my journey started off into learning about, network marketing and, building passive income, what it means to work now and make money from the efforts that you have put in the past. So that's how I started learning about passive income. So let me just give you a definition of passive income. Passive income is basically just making continuous money from, the efforts that you did in the past. So it's not about just never doing any type of work. You have to do some work, but it's usually making continuous money from the work that you did a long time ago, and you're still making money from it today. So you're leveraging all of that, knowledge and work that you did in the past, and you're still able to benefit from it today. So that's what passive income is. Now, let me give you, a couple examples of passive income. So passive income could be something as simple as real estate. It could be, the stock market. Maybe you have stock and you're generating, income from stocks that you're benefiting from. It's usually something that you can leverage. And oftentimes, extremely big businesses have passive income because they built these businesses long ago, and now they're leveraging other people's efforts, which are basically employees, and they're creating passive income from off of that. And that can also be generational wealth as well, but that's another video. But passive income could be something, like I said, as simple as real estate. If you're into real estate and you're basically leveraging, other people's money, and you're leveraging time and you're making money from it today. So passive income is really a great thing to get into. I hear a lot of people talking about it today, and there's things that they want to get into because people want to know how they can, add more streams of income to their day job, if not replace their day job. But what I want to talk to you today about in this video is, the power of the internet and creating businesses through internet marketing. And that's what I've been doing for, I would probably say, the past 2 years is, building my business through internet marketing. Now, one of the ways that you can use internet marketing to build your business is through maybe social media. So you've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can use blogs or websites to do internet marketing. There's an array of things that you can use for internet marketing to basically market your business to potential customers. And one of the ways that I built my business primarily is through YouTube. And so right now, of course, you're probably watching a YouTube video of mine. And I create a lot of these videos because I'm constantly giving people tips and strategies on how to start their online business and how to really grow an online business. And so video is what I like to do. This is my medium of doing it. And I can share these videos through, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, social media, my websites, and things like that. And I create all of these different videos just giving a ton of value to you guys. And one of the traditional ways that people tend to make money from YouTube is through AdSense. And so what happens is a lot of people can't wait to get what they call monetized, because then you can start getting a check from Google. And well, Google owns YouTube, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But you can start getting a check basically from the videos that you put out there. And so that's how people traditionally make, money from YouTube. And some people think that that's the only way that they can make money. But YouTube goes a lot farther than that. You can create passive income with creating a ton of videos that give value to people, because there's ways in which you can market these videos. So one of the ways that you can market your videos is by putting out a lot of value, but also giving people so much value that you are promoting different products. And with promoting those different products, you can make money through doing so. And so there's courses that you can create. There are affiliate marketing that you can get into. There's different type of affiliate links that you can get paid from by putting affiliate links out there. So there's other ways of making money through YouTube, and I want to talk to you about the internet marketing part and the passive income portion that you can make through even creating videos. Okay, so the way that I typically like to set up my business is I like to create a lot of different content, and I promote the things that I create by giving out a lot of value. And I typically, at the end of most videos, or even midway through most videos, is I tend to give people a call to action to lead them to a particular place, which is usually a link in the description of the videos. Now, the great thing about this is you can put all kind of different information in the description of your YouTube videos. So you can put links to your website. If you are doing certain marketing, say for example like drop shipping, then you can create videos on drop shipping or your products, and you can lead people to the link in the description for drop shipping. Maybe you have an e-commerce business. Maybe you have, just a regular business where you're just, maybe you're a personal trainer or anything like that. Or maybe you have an Amazon business and you have a niche specific, for a particular product, and you want to market that product, and you have your Amazon links in the description of the video. So that is one particular way in which you can create passive income, is by creating like a lot of different videos on a particular topic and then promoting a particular product for those videos. And people are doing that all day long. I mean, there are a ton of people, like I said, that have drop shipping businesses, and they are making money through drop shipping. That's a form of passive income, and they're also creating videos from it. And maybe they have like e-commerce websites, and they're creating videos for particular products there, and they are, driving traffic to maybe a particular website. So there are a ton of different ways in which you can make passive income online and generate income. And see, the great thing about having that is that people will continuously watch these videos. If you have, pictures and, different posts that you're putting out on social media, the downfall to social media is that those different posts and pictures and things like that, they only last for so long. They're not going to last forever. They're only up for a second. But when I create what we call evergreen content, and content like this here on YouTube, these videos are up for years to come. So I've been watching videos on YouTube that were created 5 years ago. And so the great thing about it is I can leverage that, because I can put a video out one time and thousands of people will watch that same video over and over again and hear the content in that video. And I can also too drive traffic to different places that I want. So if I want people to, click on an affiliate link that's in the description because it is going to basically be a product that I'm selling, then I can do that. And that's the great thing about video, is that it's leveraged with video. So guys, what I'm going to talk to you about is one particular passive income stream that I have actually been making a lot of money off of online, and that is affiliate marketing. Now, if you have not heard of affiliate marketing before, then I'm going to give you a definition of it. It is basically selling other people's stuff. So really, if you don't have an idea for a business, but you know that you want to, create a business, you're not out of luck, because there are a lot of people out there that create products and services, and they're looking for folks like you to basically help them market it and sell a product. So the benefit side to affiliate marketing is that a product or service is created, and say you partner with a company, what will happen is that if you help to sell that particular product, or you make a sale for that product, you get a commission from the total sale. So that's the great thing about affiliate marketing. And what I've done is I have partnered with companies that create systems that are basically helping people to build their business online. They're educational systems. And these systems show you how to build your online business and how to, basically leverage the internet to build your business and to make money. And so that's what I've done. So I will probably give you like a bit of a rundown of how things typically work. Usually I'll create videos like this, giving out a ton of value. And the best way to do that is to give out so much value that you attract people to you. And when people come to my channel, I typically give them a call to action. It's a CTA. And I let them know that I have, a free guide, or maybe I have a free program, or maybe there's something in particular that I'm selling, and I give them a call to action. And the objective to giving that call to action, guys, is really to lead people to a certain place. So usually I want to lead them to my blog, or maybe I'm leading them to a capture page, but I'm leading them off of YouTube, and I'm leading them somewhere else. Because part of doing that is to basically, build a list of people that you can market to later on in the future. So part of doing that is, generating emails, getting people's name, and getting people's number. And so when I do that, I'm able to connect with people that I don't even know. They're just like people that come and watch my videos, and I don't even know them, and then I follow up with them later. And that's what you want, guys. You want to be able to follow up with people at a later time. Whether they're purchasing your products or not, you want to be able to connect with them. And when you're able to follow up with people at a later period, you're able to build an email list. And I've been building an email list since I've started internet marketing about a couple years ago, or a good 2.5 years ago. And the great thing about that, building that email list, is there are some people that probably give their information and they're not interested at that time, but maybe they'll be interested later on. And so I nurture that list. I constantly send out more valuable information about building an online business and what I'm doing in my business and how I can help them. And I've built that up so much to where I'm able to market to that list. So when I send out, information on things that maybe I want to sell, courses, or maybe things that I'm promoting, I can market to that list. And guys, that is how I've been creating, passive income and making sales online. And I've been doing that, honestly, even with less than 1,000 subscribers. I was doing that and making money, and I'm still making money. And I call a lot of my leads too, and actually talk to them and get to know them to find out what they're doing and how I can help them. And so that is what you want to kind of learn how to do. You want to learn how to create passive income by getting your list to work for you, and by getting, different, maybe you want to promote courses, or maybe you want to get into affiliate marketing. But the great thing about it is I make money off of those products over and over and over again. Because the great thing about affiliate marketing is it's not just a one-time sell. You have high-ticket affiliate marketing programs where there's tiers to it. So after someone purchases one product from you, it's not like the end. They're never going to purchase anything else. No. But oftentimes what happens is as you continue to market to those people, and if you create some type of rapport with them, that's part of building that know, like, and trust factor. When you're constantly, nurturing that list, and when you're calling your leads, what happens is not only do they purchase one time, but they also purchase upsells from you. And that is where you get into really making really good money with affiliate marketing, is that people are not only just purchasing one time, but that one person is purchasing multiple times. And so that is where you can create passive income online, and that's where I've been creating passive income online. Now, I told you that I started off in multi-level marketing, which I still create a list from, the MLM leads that I bring in, but also at the same time, I've been able to do coaching, and I've been able to help people through affiliate programs. And I wasn't even trying to really do that. It just came along with all of the leads that I was generating, and people were asking me about other things that I was doing. So guys, I just wanted to talk to you about how you can create passive income online, the different avenues that you can do with creating passive income, how you can create traffic and drive traffic, for example, through creating YouTube videos, or maybe you want to get off into social media. But there are different platforms that you can use to promote products and services, and creating the right leverage, guys, will help you create not only just a steady flow of income or passive income, but a substantial amount of passive income. So that's what I wanted to give you guys today, just that little bit of nugget on how you can create passive income online. There's many different ways through your blog, YouTube, affiliate marketing, like I said, drop shipping, e-commerce sites. There's many different ways, but I personally tend to focus on creating videos, and I love video marketing because it's visual. You can see the person. I like to create that, know, like, and trust factor. I want you guys to know that I'm here on camera because I'm not going to hide behind camera. I want to teach you guys exactly how I grow my business online, the tools and the strategies that I use to not only, create leads, but to build that list of people that basically want to buy my stuff. They want to buy from me. So guys, if you want to learn more about what I do, I have left a link in the description, and you can check that link out. You can link up with me. It is basically the same system that I'm using to build my own business online, and you can connect with me. So if you want to know more about what I'm doing, go ahead and click that link in the description, and we can link up. And I don't mind really getting to know you guys and explaining to you how you can create a business online for yourself, creating passive income, because I think everybody needs a second stream of income, a third stream of income, however many streams of income that you can get. You definitely need that. Alright guys, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and down in the comment section below, if you have any questions, leave them below in the comment section. And if you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know what you're doing in your internet marketing business, or if you haven't started, let me know if you want to start, because if so, you can drop me a comment, we can link up, and I don't mind at all sharing with you how you can get started building a business online. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch up on the next video.